Hi guys, so we've arrived at the caravan. That's the view at the back of the caravan, or holiday home as they call them. Luxurious one. So we've got a little veranda here, Silverdale. That's the views that we have at the back. Table and chairs. Okay, you can see it's quite luxurious inside. Proper sofas. When we get these in caravans, as you can see. Nice gas fire. TV. Sofa. Kitchen area. Let's go out to the balcony again. This is where we just came through from the outside. The views are stunning. Look at that. There's the views. Okay. Look at that. Well equipped kitchen by the looks of it. Microwave. Washing machine, no washing machine, I think. Dishwasher, sorry. It's no washing machine, it's a dishwasher. There is a laundrette on site. Gas cooker. We have no lights. Bedroom number 1. 2 single beds. You got shower and bathroom. Shower and toilet, I should say. Number 1. Another small single room with the 2 single beds. Then you've got the master room, double bed, an ensuite toilet and shower. It's quite nice actually. Central heating. Central heating. Wardrobes. Your clothes. Yeah. Size wardrobe, all your clothes in. Drawers at the side. So it's got Wi-Fi as well.